Today I'm installing the 18-inch quick clean filter shaker from Oneida. This is designed to keep your HEPA filter clean without damaging the delicate filter media. The kit comes with clear instructions, all necessary hardware, gasket material, the shaker motor, and a timer switch. Since I received the product, they've already made some adjustments to the included hardware based on customer feedback, so your purchase might slightly differ from what I'm showing here. To attach the motor, the first step is to remove the fine dust bin. There's a little dust in here, honestly, less than I expected. But when I looked inside the filter itself for the first time in 2 years, I was shocked by how much fine dust had built up. It's not terrible, but it definitely needed a good cleaning, and I can do better. Next, I applied the gasket material to the bottom of the motor mount to create a good seal. And using the provided clips, I attached the mount directly to the filter, which was super easy. After installing the shaker motor, I vacuumed out the fine dust bin so I could clearly see how much dust will actually fall off the filter during the shake. Now, an important note here, you'll want to replace the existing nuts at the specified locations with the included replacement lock nuts. I wasn't sure if this step was necessary and I skipped it as an experiment, which was a bad idea. And within 2 minutes of shaking, the nuts started backing off. So yes, definitely do this step. There's a reason it's in the instructions. The final part was mounting the timer switch on the wall, plugging everything in, and letting it shake. I let it run for about 5 minutes, and then I checked the dust bin, and honestly, I expected way more dust. Then I actually finished reading the instructions, and I saw that Oneida recommends blowing compressed air on the outside of the filter from at least 2 inches away. I did that. Let the shaker run for just 2 minutes, that's it. It's been 2 years since I've cleaned it, and the ultra fine dust had been packed into the pleats very deeply, which is why I needed to use the compressed air. Regular filter shaking would have made this step unnecessary in the future. I took the dustbin off, and wow, would you look at that? All of that was kicked inside of my filter. So going forward, I'll be running this shaker motor periodically to keep my filter clean and performing at its best. If you want one for your system, and I highly recommend it, head over to oneida-air.com. You'll be glad you did.